this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing our second lesson on indices, and we're doing our second index law, which is about division with indices. Please remember that you can print out all of my sheets. If you visit my website, you can find the links there to download my sheets so that you can print them and write on your pages along with me. So the second index law, here it is. Again, we have to have the same bases like we did with the first index law. But if we are dividing things with the same base, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, all we have to do, keep the same base and we subtract the powers. So like I did with the first index law, I'm just going to show you how that works. So here I have c to the power of 6 divide, now you know a fraction also means divide, by c to the power of 4. C to the power of 6 is c times c times c times c times c times c. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over c to the power of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've expanded them all out. Now you know on a fraction, if you have something on the top and the bottom that's the same, you can cancel them off. So I could cancel that one with that one, that one with that one, that one with that one, that one with that one. The bottom has completely cancelled off, and on the top I have two c's, which can be written as c squared. So you can see if I had just subtracted these powers, 6 minus 4, I would get 2. And that's our shortcut, that's our second index law. So let's use our shortcut from here on in. If I have d to the power of 8 divided by d to the power of 3, d is my base, and all I have to do is subtract the powers. 8 minus 3 is 5. D to the power of 5. Now if there's some numbers in there as well, you would divide the big numbers out the front first. Now this has only got a 7. 7 divided by 1 would still be 7. So it's not actually going to do anything. It's just going to sit out the front. E is the base. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 7e to the power of 3. Question 4. Okay, look at the big numbers out the front first. 15 divided by 3 goes 5 times. Then the g is the base and subtract the powers. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5g to the power of 3. Okay, going back to fractions again, same kind of thing. 48 divided by 12 goes 4 times. X is the base, and I subtract the powers. 5 minus 4 is 1, but I don't need to write the 1, I can just leave that as 4x. Question 6. 36 divided by 9, that goes nicely 4 times. And I've got two different pronumerals here. Let's do p first. P is the base. 13 minus 5 is 8. Then let's look at the q. Q to the power of 19 and q to the power of 13. 19 subtract 13 goes 6 times. So there's my answer. One more down the bottom here. Now, if they start getting bigger and bigger, sometimes it's better to try and do some of your cancelling first. So for example, 18 can be divided by 2. So I could divide that by 2 and get a 9, and that would cancel off this 2 here on the bottom. 7 and 14, well, 7 goes into 14 twice. Okay, so I've cancelled my numbers off. I could also cancel my letters if I want to here. So a squared, I could cancel those 2 off with 2 of those and have 1 left. And b squared and b squared would cancel off completely. So it gets a bit tricky to see what you've crossed off, but you need to do it tight enough so that you can see what is left. On the top, I've got a 9. And I have an a to the power of 1. I'll just write a. I don't need to write the 1. All of this stuff here is gone. On the bottom, everything is gone except for the 2. So it's going to be over 2. Alright. On the next page, just a few questions. Just like what we've just done, for you to have a practice. Pause the video and have a try. See if you can remember what we've just been talking about, and then restart the video to see the answers. F to the power of 14 divided by f to the power of 9. 14 minus 9 is 5, so f to the power of 5. 42k to the power of 7 divided by 6k to the power of 4. Divide the numbers first. 42 divided by 6 goes 7 times. K is the base, and 7 minus 4 goes 3 times. 55y to the power of 8 over 11y to the 6. Divide the numbers first. 55 divided by 11 goes 5 times. Y to the power of 8 and y to the power of 6. Subtract the powers would make y to the power of 2. Question 4. 32 divided by 4 goes 8 times. Look at the m's first. 11 minus 9 goes twice. And then the n's, 8 minus 3 goes 5 times. And one more. Got lots of numbers in here, so this time we'll try to do our cancelling first again. So 10 divided by 5. We can do that and get a 2 up here. 12 can be divided by 3 and give us a 4. We could cancel off all 6 of those with 6 of those and have 1 of those left. And we could cancel off y squared, take 2 off here, which would give me a 3. Which would give me, everything on the bottom is completely gone. On the top, the 2 and the 4 need to multiply together to give 8. Then I would have x to the power of 1, or just x, and y to the power of 3. And that's it. That's the second law, the second index law. Practice and practice, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.